I decided to make this YouTube video to catalogue some of the unplanned maintenance events that have taken place on my many travels through Scotland and Europe. Of course, unplanned maintenance is never as comfortable as maintenance planned in the house. But when you're out on the road doing miles, stuff does go wrong, occasionally. This is not an indictment of Norton motorcycles. They are, of course, the most wonderful motorcycles in the world, and great fun. And sometimes the unplanned maintenance events add to the journey. More often than not, though, they are a pain in the arse. Enjoy.
Sunday afternoon, raining, misbehaving Nortons. Yeah.
You can't do anything on the Sabbath.
I know. I don't know what this often here look.
You know, just tie it up with a bit of electric tape.
Aye. That's what's wrong with it, I think.
Too much electric tape.
Oh, don't you had that on?
Do you want me to hold that?
No. What? Alex had it. Had it on the other.
Right. Something good being there.
I'm just touching the wires, eh?
And the vibration's enough to...
Aye, definitely. Right, okay. Right, a pair of lawnmower pliers?
I've not
You've got the pliers on there.
I don't know.
What's happening, Alex? Half a pint of beer.
Better. Go further than that.
What's happening, Alex?
Minor maintenance.
Minor maintenance.
If it was a race, you'd be back to the track within 30 seconds.
Good.
What's happening, Mr. Rondelli?
Oh, fucking unbelievable.
I think the whole thing is empty. It's open the rubber on this one. Oh no, this is popped it. What is it? Look at that side's flat, this side's sitting out. What is it like? No, is that stud?
That's why I'm the open. I'll win. I shall overcome.
You'd think this was a serious mechanical
I know! It's a fucking taillight lens!
Recorded for posterity. Stop it being cruel, you.
He loves it, doesn't he?
He loves it too.
50 fingers. It's about 2 minutes away to get fucking lost.
Germany. 100 miles south of Bremen. Breakdown. On the motorway, we pushed the bike here. About a mile, over a mile. Not much fun. So, the transmission. Don't know what it is, but we will find out soon. I think it's damaged the alternator as well. We've had to stop after about 2 miles because my exhaust is falling apart again. Luckily, Tom came to the rescue and we found this garage, so this guy's away welding my exhaust through the back, hopefully.
What's wrong?
You're going to get him to cut the down pipe.
Cut the down pipe.
Eh?
Cut the down pipe.
It's jamming in the mill. We've got Dave just had a puncture, pain in the ass, in the town of Diva. About 60 or 70 kilometres, 100 kilometres short of where we're heading. So hopefully we can get this fixed pretty quickly. Back on the road again.
As I was, I basically phoned Alec.
Smart arses, sitting at the front, everything going great, train went through. Went to accelerate away, my bike sounded like a bag of shite and it died. Don't know what, it's running rich as hell. Took the air filter off, I've got it running again. Davey's bike backfired when he tried to start it and it blew the carburetor off. Now he's got his running, now mine's is blowing a fuse.
So we've progressed about how many metres? 100 metres maybe?
Clean up the seat. Maybe try it there, maybe try putting
I'll have to fill it well, remember?
Oh, you've done, aye.
Just glue back to your hand. Go on.
sweet as a fucking nut.
No, there's a bit of petrol down there. So, duff plug, right, overfueling.
Carburetor, overfueling, duff plug, blowing fuse. Wait for the boiler to come back.
Put the tank and stuff back on there, you think? And it doesn't come back soon, you can put it to, you're going to bung him something. Give him a banana.
He'll be needing it by the time he's cycled about 40 miles to get a fuse. Or some keys. We were riding through the mountains in the dark.
And?
Do you know, never had any lights?
Aye, it was like a suicide run.
It's quite scary.
Just pulled off the motorway in Austria. Bike started to misfire a bit. Seen a service station. Thought we'd stop and get some lunch, which I never enjoyed because I was worried what's wrong with my bloody bike. See what happens. I'm just out to rip it apart. Well, we can change the plug anyway. Hoping it's this that. We'll see.
Good colour.
It's got white bits on it.
Strange. It's like it's not been firing right. Eh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's had, it looks as if it has been running rich. And then it's burned off. Check the gap in that, you know. There's a good food in the box, so I don't know.
mind when you changed the oil? Was it this one that you changed the oil and filter, and there was an occasion where the oil was mixed in with the petrol? Can you remember that?
No, it was a 750.
Is it?